سلام، من مجید هستم. Today we have the second part of the past tense in Farsi. In the last episode, which was the first part of the past tense in Persian, we covered about half of the list here that we have always. And today we're gonna review the examples, the past examples of these verbs that we still have on the list. The conjugation of the past tense we learned last time. So if you have not watched it, you go here and watch the lesson first and then come back to this lesson. Let's go and review our verbs and their examples. دونستن, which means to know. As a rule, you know that we have to drop this an and then we have the past tense and then endings. دونست. But here for the first example of this lesson, I would like to surprise you. This verb is an exception. You go for the same rule, but you have to add something also. Let's see for the next example. I knew. میدونستم. I'm sure you guessed or you said دونستم, which is grammatically correct, but this form has gone away through time. So in present Farsi, for this verb, for the past tense, you have to also add this prefix mi, like the present tense. For present, you say I know, میدونم, past tense, میدونستم. So for all persons, you have to add an extra prefix, which is mi. Next example, which is left for you as your exercise. We didn't know where we were. Please note that it's two sentences, two past tense sentences, and it's negative. ما نمیدونستیم کجا بودیم. So دونستیم we have, and then we have this extra mi, and then we have this ne, which is the negation marker. And here we have the second sentence, where کجا we were بودیم. Did you know? میدونستی? How did you know? Or how did you know that? از کجا میدونستی؟ Or چطور میدونستی? As you know, how means چطور, and a normal translation is چطور میدونستی. But here we can also use this phrase, means from where did you know? This is more popular in this context. شستن. I washed my hands twice. دستهامو 2 بار شستم. This ha is plural marker. I have marked it for you so you can understand it better. For twice and adverbs of frequency, I had a lesson before. You can find the link here. He washed all the dishes last night. دیشب همه ظرفا رو شست. We didn't wash the car. ما ماشین رو نشستیم. Did you wash the fruits? میوه ها رو شستی. When did you wash your car? It's your exercise. You can write your answers in the comment section if you like. فهمیدن. I understood. فهمیدم. He understood I was angry. Again, we have two sentences, and it is your turn. We didn't understand anything. هیچی نفهمیدیم. Did you understand what he said? Again, two sentences. فهمیدی for did you understand with a question tone. What he said, چی گفت. Who understood? کی فهمید؟ موندن or formal it is ماندن. I stayed home yesterday. دیروز خونه موندم. He stayed only a night at hotel. فقط یه شب تو هتل موند. We didn't wait for Sarah. ما منتظر سارا نموندیم. Wait for means منتظر somebody موندن. Did you wait for, it's wrong, for him? It's your turn. Where did you stay last night? دیشب کجا موندی؟ گذاشتن. I put it on the table. گذاشتمش رو میز. This اش is it, object ending. He put it outside. گذاشتش بیرون. Outside means بیرون. Did you put it in the car? گذاشتیش تو ماشین؟ Where did you put it? کجا گذاشتیش؟ نوشتن. He wrote the book years ago. سالها پیش years ago سالها پیش اون کتابو نوشت. We didn't write our names. اسم هامونو ننوشتیم. Did you write the email? ایمیل رو or ایمیلو نوشتی؟ What did you write? چی نوشتی؟ نشستن. I sat by the window. کنار پنجره نشستم. We didn't sit. ما ننشستیم. Did you sit on the table again? دوباره رو میز نشستی؟ Where did you sit? کجا نشستی؟ بردن which means both to win and to take. I won the game. بازی رو بردم. He took me to school. منو برد مدرسه. We didn't win. نبردیم. Did you take the chair home? صندلی رو بردی خونه؟ How did you win? It is your turn. آوردن or formal آوردن. I brought my camera. دوربینمو آوردم. We didn't bring the kids. ما بچه ها رو نیاوردیم. Did you bring it? آوردیش object ending referring to it. Why didn't you bring it? چرا نیاوردیش؟ باختن. I lost. باختم. We didn't lose the game. بازی رو نباختیم. Did you win or lose? بردی یا باختی؟ Why did you lose? چرا باختی؟ فروختن. I sold my car. ماشینمو فروختم. We didn't sell it. نفروختیمش. Did you sell your house? خونت رو فروختی؟ How much did you sell it? چند فروختیش؟ بستن. I closed the window as it was cold. Two sentences we have again here. پنجره رو بستم. I closed the window as چون it was cold. سرد بود. We didn't bet. Okay, here we have a new verb which is a compound verb coming from this بستن. Bet as a noun means شرط and then you have this verb means شرط بستن. We didn't bet. ما شرط نبستیم. Did you close the door? درو بستی؟ Why didn't you close the door? چرا درو نبستی؟ That was all about the past tense in 2 episodes. تا ویدیو بعدی خداحافظ.